Hello everyone, today I'm going to do unboxing and review of the Arctic Air Freedom. This is a wearable personal air cooler. This thing retails for $30 and right now it's on sale on Amazon for $21. I paid my own money for this and this will be my honest review. Now let's go over the box first. Right here it says stay cool and comfortable anywhere, adjustable 3 speeds, lightweight and comfortable, cordless and rechargeable, flexible for custom fit. Coles, rechargeable, quiet. Now this is what it says on this side. And on the back of the box, it says flexible neckband for a custom fit, cooling vents, runs up to 6 hours per charge, power button, 3-speed control, USB charging port, and this is where it includes. And here is the other side of the box. Now let's open it. As I mentioned, I already did open it, but I put everything back inside so you guys can see what comes inside and how it's packaged. Get it upside down. So let me put the box right here. All right, so inside we have the USB to USB-C, so USB Type A to USB-C. So you can use your phone charger on this. It doesn't come with the brick, so you can either plug this into your phone charger or you can just use the actual phone cable to charge this thing. And we got this. And let's see if I left something. Oh yeah, I did left something in the box. Let's go over the paperwork first. And they also have a couple different products. They become very popular. And let me see if I can. Oh yeah, this is the product. You've probably seen this product at Walmart, Amazon, and everywhere. It's called Arctic Air Pure Chill. And now they have this bigger tower fan. I haven't used this one, but this one I will do on the next review. I purchased that one also, but I wanted to do this one first. And here it says 20% off, so you will get that too. And here it's a startup guide basically telling you how to charge it and how to wear it and all that. But it's pretty, it's pretty simple to use this product. Now here's the product itself. You can adjust this, so if you have a big neck, you can pretty much adjust it any way you want to. You can go pretty wide or pretty low. On this side, oops, almost dropped it. So on this side, we have the Arctic Air, that's their logo. And it goes all the way around. Inside, we have this, I would say this is rubber. This side is plastic, but inside it feels like rubber, this metal part. And inside we have this thing, like vents. This is where they take the air in. This is probably where the fan is. I can't really see it, but I'm just gonna assume that's where the actual small fans are. And this is where the air comes out of. So we got vents. So once you put it around your neck, this is where the air is going up. And we have the power button here. There's only one button, so one press is to turn it on. It's usually, I believe, third high speed. And then you press it again, it's medium, and then you press it again, it's low. I'll show you guys that in a bit. But let's talk about the design. This thing weighs about a pound. I believe it's 0.9 pounds. It does have some weight to it, but once you put it around your neck, you don't feel the weight as much, if that makes sense, because most of the weight is on this part and this part. So once this hangs on your neck and it's like leans on your body, on your shoulders, you don't really feel the weight that much. Just imagine it as a pair of headphones. You know, once you're done listening, you put the headphones down, and that's pretty much how this feels. So it doesn't feel that heavy. I forgot to mention, let me see. Oh yeah, here is the charging port. So as I mentioned, this is wireless. So you're gonna put in USB-C. As I mentioned, you can use the cable, you can use your phone charger, and it charges in a few hours depending on your phone charger. I believe it's only, let me show you guys the specs. Not sure if you guys can see that, but here it says it's only DC 5 volt 1 amp, and the battery they use is 3.7 volts, 1800 milliamps. So the battery isn't that big, but they do say it runs 3 to 6 hours depending on the speed. I would say, yeah, you know, I didn't time it. I didn't use this 3 hours to 4 hours exactly, but I would say you do get over 3 hours, again, depending on which speed of the fan you use. If you use it on highest, you might get 3 hours or a bit lower, but if you use it on a low speed, you'll probably get 5-6 hours out of it. And now let's talk about the functionality of it. It only has one button, as I mentioned, so let's turn it on, and I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds. So this will be the high speed. Now you press it again, you get the medium speed. Then you press it again, and this will be the lowest speed. Now this blue light is on always, and now you press it again, it's off. Now let's do the decibels test so you guys can at least get an idea how loud this thing is. For me, I didn't really have any issues from it, but let's go over the decibels, and let me open up my app, and I'm gonna be quiet. And so right now it's 30 when I stop talking, but I'm gonna stop talking and let's do the actual decibels. So it says 65. The reason I'm putting it this close is because it is going to be next to your ears. So on the high speeds, we're getting 58 decibels. Let's go medium speed. About 54, and then the lowest speed. About 48. Now, the next thing I wanted to do is the output of air. Now, since, you know, I'm doing a video, I can't really show you the output of air, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use a Kleenex tissue, and then I'll show you how much it outputs. So if I lay it down, it's really not even gonna move it. Let me see if I just do one layer. I'm gonna remove one layer. Oh, this one, okay, so one layer. So let's try the second one. Now, when it comes to the output of air, it's not that good. Now, the problem with this thing is, even though they call it air cooler, I think it's a very wrong name for it because it's really not an air cooler. It doesn't cool the actual air. It's pretty much just a fan, and you're not gonna call a fan a cooler. It's just a fan. Now there's evaporative coolers which actually use the water to cool the air, and you can definitely feel that breeze. But for this, it's just a fan. It doesn't use anything else. It has no filters. It just pretty much has two small fans that take the air from the inside and then push it out here. In conclusion, I'm not the biggest fan of this. I don't see myself using it again. Sadly to say, it's just not for me. I don't like leaving bad reviews or bad videos about a product. But this one, I regret buying. It's just not for me. Now, there's going to be lots of people who will disagree with me, and that's all right. That's, you know, they have their opinions and I have mine. For me personally, it's just not a product I would use on daily use, weekly use, or even monthly use. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.